Hi, welcome. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a conversation with a virus? A seemingly far-fetched idea, right? But what if I told you that scientists are exploring the possibility of communicating with these microscopic entities? Welcome to a realm where science fiction meets reality, as we delve into the intriguing concept of talking to viruses. At the forefront of this groundbreaking research is a team of dedicated scientists who are pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Imagine if we could interact with viruses on a whole new level. We could potentially unravel their mysteries and gain insights into their behavior. Just as humans use languages to communicate, cells utilize intricate biochemical signals to convey information. The idea of deciphering these signals from viruses opens up a world of possibilities. But how could we possibly communicate with these tiny entities? One approach involves mapping the genetic codes of viruses and identifying patterns that might resemble a form of language. By studying the genetic sequences, we might be able to interpret their messages and decode their intentions. In our quest to understand these minuscule messengers, researchers are developing advanced technologies, such as nanoscale communication devices, to bridge the gap between human and viral communication. We're exploring nanotechnology to create devices that can facilitate interaction with viruses. Think of it as a microscopic translator. Narrator, voiceover. Imagine a world where we could ask viruses questions and receive answers, shedding light on how they evolve, spread, and even adapt to our immune systems. These discoveries could revolutionize our approach to viral infections, enabling us to develop targeted treatments and strategies to combat outbreaks. Of course, we're not quite there yet, and there are ethical and safety considerations to address. But the very idea of engaging in a dialogue with viruses sparks a dialogue within the scientific community and beyond. The notion of talking to viruses might sound like science fiction, but every groundbreaking discovery once did. As we unravel the secrets of the microbial world, who knows what doors this could open? So, as we peer into this captivating realm of possibility, remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more thought-provoking content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep seeking the truth.